36 days until our big trip, but today we are on our way to Stanley and Margot's mama and granddad's because they're going to go and spend 2 to 3 days with them on a caravanning holiday, aren't you, Stanley?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you reckon, Margot?
Yeah.
Absolutely. They've also decided this morning to do some face painting, so they've done lovely makeup, haven't you?
Whoa. It's not face painting, Daddy. They put their makeup on for the day. Haven't you, Babas? Daddy, making out you've painted your face. You haven't painted your face. You've got makeup on. You look perfect.
We'll let the viewing public be the judge of whether this looks like makeup or face paint. What do you think? Stanley, give us a look.
Face paint.
Yeah, absolutely, mate. Margot, what do you think?
I think it's face paint.
There you go. You heard it here first. But before we go to Grandma and Grandad's, we're heading for a spot of breakfast at one of our favourite spots where Stanley and Margot, they've practically grown up here, Codner Res. There's a lovely little van here, so you can always get a great breakfast cob. You can tell we live in Derbyshire, so they don't use phrases like roll, it's a cob. You get the incredible res, the wildlife, the nature here is just beautiful. The kids love it, and it's just so peaceful. Stanley, are you going to live in here for the next couple of days?
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Are you going to be fun?
Yeah.
You ready for a couple of days with them then?
Oh yes, can't wait.
Looking forward to it. Where are you going?
Yeah, we're going to Waleswood Caravan Touring Site
And where's that?
and Rotherham.
Awesome.
Yeah. And we're going to the Rother Valley Country Park.
Rother Valley Country Park?
Yes.
You're made for camera, Linda. Are you going to ensure that they don't eat loads of sugar?
Yes. We're just going to have hot chocolate and marshmallows.
So not lots of sugar then?
No,
That's
because
Mama's prerogative, right?
I want him to go to bed at night, you see, at a reasonable time, 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's a reasonable time. Okay,
yeah,
cool. So
yeah.
we're going to have a couple of days of them
For
basically letting
caravanning,
loose.
yes.
They're going carabanning, as Stanley calls it.
Caravanning.
Have a lovely time.
Yeah. Okay, James, bye.
What that I'm missing, Stanley and Margot. I'm used to them being in the back of the car.
Stanley and Margot are now with Mama and Grandad setting off on their caravanning holiday, as Stanley calls it. What are we doing?
Oh, what's our itinerary for the afternoon? So we're going to go home and get all of the bags out. So everything we brought, packing cubes, everything, and do our packing trial. And then once we've figured out what we haven't got, we're going to go into Derby and buy those things.
Why are we doing a packing trial?
Because I've been buying things for that long, I have absolutely no idea what we've got and what we haven't got. And I also don't know whether we can do it with 2 backpacks or whether we need a suitcase.
Could be an interesting afternoon. So we're going to use Stanley's bedroom for our packing trial, aren't we?
Yeah.
And what have we got going on so far?
Well, this is the backpacks that haven't been unpacked from when we came back from Thailand. So it's
Which
figuring
was
out what
5
we've
years
got.
ago. And then that up there is all of the
What
kids'
do you use a dry bag for?
paraphernalia that we will be taking with us. I feel like we're taking pretty much every toy that they own. That is a dry bag.
Yeah, no, I can read.
Have a little
What's it
guess.
for?
Have a little guess. Clues in the title.
So you just put it...
You put your valuables in there, so like this camera, phone, money, passports, whatever. So then when you go in water, keeps it dry. Wrap it down, bosh.
Right,
Quite good, that, isn't it?
So I had a lot more time on my hands 5 years ago to straighten my hair. So cheap straighteners like that were fine. Now I've got 2 minutes at best, so I need a GHD when this is getting straightened. So that's my luxury item.
Oh, you get luxury items.
GHD.
Excellent.
You don't get a luxury item.
Why not?
Because you have so many luxury... Where's my coffee? You have so many luxury items that I'm not even giving you a choice.
They're good. We can just strap them on the back of the case though, can't we? Or the backpack.
You're waterproof, so... What? Waterproof jacket? Pack away.
Is it going to fit me?
Oh, good question. Yeah, you're a bit of a bigger man than you were back then. You want to try it on?
Wow.
Whoa. I still love every inch of you.
There's just more to me.
On,
Yeah,
try
that'll
it
fit
on.
like a glove.
Try it on. Right. Let me just stand up so I can get a real good...
So am I going to have to cut into this video an image of me in 2020 compared to me now?
Oh, I don't really need a close-up. Maybe your biceps have grown.
I've grown all round and not
Have
in
a
a
look at
positive
the,
way.
That'll be a no then.
Yeah, it's not going to fit, is it? You need a new one of them. Is that everything you're taking?
Yeah. Well, yeah. So I've got bikinis and pants and socks. Oh, and I've got a bra. I've got it on.
One bra?
I'm just taking a bra.
A single bra?
Yeah, because I wear... It's a bit weird. I wear training tops more than I wear bras.
That's not weird.
It's weird.
You wear gym gear
I'm
a lot.
having a conversation with you, but I'm actually talking to a camera about what underwear I wear, which is weird. No, I mean, like, this is a bit gross, but I might train in the morning and then we might end up going out and the day just rolls on. So I might have my training top on. So I only need one bra, I reckon, and 3 training tops.
Other than shoes, that is everything that Hayley and I are going to wear for the next 12 months in those 2 packing cases.
Bab, just put some batteries in these, please. Bab, what are you doing? Oh my God.
Sorry.
So we've now unpacked the backpacks and we've got everything ready to put into the backpacks. So we're just going to give you a little overview of what we've got. So this is James's pile here, which is made up of clothes. I'm really, really impressed that he's managed to get absolutely everything in there. This is my day bag. Portable toilet, books, you name it, that's all going in there. This is Stanley and Margot's pile. Here we've got my backpack. So I managed to get everything into here, which I'm really, really impressed with. This is our homeschooling section. So we'll probably do a separate video on that. So make sure you subscribe and we'll go through in detail what we're taking to homeschool Stanley and Margot. We've then got our activity bags, minus the scissors, which they're going to be taking on the trains with them, including pencils.
Trains, planes and automobiles.
Yeah, planes, trains and automobiles. And then we've basically got a pile of spare bags, which, trust me, will get filled.
Packing trial, midway through, about 3 hours deep, are we not?
Feels like longer.
Feels like longer. Seems to be going quite well, but despite the amount of stuff that Hayley has brought, we're still going into Derby to do more shopping. Why are we going into Derby to do more shopping?
Well, answer me this, James. Would you say that there is anything I brought that hasn't been necessary?
That feels like a loaded question.
You got an answer? Is there anything amongst what I brought that we didn't need? Come on.
No matter the answer, it'll be wrong. So I'm going to go with we need to go to Derby. So what are we going into Derby for?
I mean, who doesn't need a portable toilet?
Who doesn't need a portable toilet?
not for us, for Stanley and Margot. What we're going into Derby for. So we're going into Derby to go to Next. If anyone knows our daughter, they'll know that she only wears a vest. And
You'll get very used to seeing her in vests all the time, and skirts. That is about it. Oh, and princess dresses. About the limit of Margot's wardrobe.
I haven't packed her a princess dress.
Oh.
You make a really valid point. I'll put one in. We're going to go to a shop, I don't know what it's called, but they've got kind of pull along trolley / backpack for Stanley and Margot. We would very much like to try and go to Lush to get the bars of soap, wouldn't we? So we're not having to take too many bottles, heavy stuff through.
Some may have noticed that you've got a little love heart on your hand. Why have you got that on your hand, Hayley?
Because I suspected that Stanley especially would feel a little bit upset going on his caravanning holiday today with his mum and granddad. So I came up with an idea as to how I could make him feel a little bit more comfortable. So I drew a heart on my hand, and we then drew a heart on both of his hands. And I said, whenever he's feeling a bit lonely or he's missing me, he just needs to touch or kiss his love heart and he can think of me, and I'll do the same. So I keep kissing my love heart whenever I think about him.
That's Derby done. On the way back, Hayley and I, Hayley in particular, is feeling a bit rebellious. What are we going to do?
Well, we're going to leave the upstairs like an absolute bomb site because we've got stuff everywhere.
Which is very out of character for Hayley.
Oh,
Ordinarily,
honestly,
that upstairs would be the front of mind for her, and it would have to be tidy before we could do anything else. So go on, being all rebellious.
Yeah, even just saying it's making me anxious. So in order for me to do that with ease and move through those feelings, I need wine, and I don't have any. So we're going to the pub.
Day 2 of not having Stanley and Margot with us, and we are back in the car. But today, Hayley's not looking quite so polished.
Oi, cheek.
She's been to the gym this morning, so straight home. And the first thing she says to me, given that we were going to finish our packing trial today, is, shall we head out? We'll go to the tip, which, by the way, queues of traffic. Who goes to the tip on a Sunday? What a crazy idea to go to the tip on a Sunday, to drop off one item, just one item. But no, Hayley definitely loves doing randomness like that. And then next we're going to go to the shops, which will also be no doubt heaving. And why are we going, Hayley? Despite our packing trial going as well as it did yesterday, and us being very comfortable that we've got more than enough stuff, it all fits. But why are we going, Hayley?
So the reason I'm tapping on the steering wheel is because there's at least 3 points in what you've said that's really irritating me. So 1, we will complete the packing trial. It's only 5 to 1. And we've got no little people, so there's no negotiations to do, there's no snacks to stop for, there's no change of clothes because somebody spilled a drink down, and we don't have any of those dramas today. So we will finish the packing trial. The second thing to say is that yes, we are only dropping off one item at the tip. If anyone knows me, they know I'm not very good at driving. So
how you getting
I'm just trying to watch this.
You've got a lot of room on the left here. You've got so much room on this side.
I'm also, I've got a really bad track record for hitting things. Anyway, so yeah, we have got one item to drop off, but most women, I'm sure, comment and tell me if you agree with this or not, likes to tick jobs off. And you've got a list, and on my list is to drop this item off at the tip. So I've got a nice big tick in that job box. And number 3, yes, we are going to a shop again, James, but we have literally one final item and we've completely done. So then we've got to focus on packing our house. So I want to feel that feeling of we've done, we've got everything. And I can only get that if I go to Decathlon. So we're
On
going to Decathlon.
On a Sunday. This is the bit that I just can't get
Yeah, but
wrap my
James,
head around.
We can walk around Decathlon with great ease. We haven't got Stanley and Margot running into every tent, trying to get on every bike, running on every treadmill. So we can be whizzing around that place with coffee in hand, and I've offered to buy him a matcha tea. What are you doing, Bab?
Replacement rain jacket.
Oh, see what we're doing here. Go with a little half zip number, are we?
If my head will fit.
Should we tell the audience what size you've gone for?
Sorry?
Should we tell the audience what size you've gone for?
Yeah, a bit bigger, yeah.
Bit bigger.
Come with the XL. Got a cheeky little pocket in there, look.
Oh, babe, fits you
quite
like
handy.
a glove. Oh, absolutely. I'll cut those
quite
labels
nice.
right out.
Bit of room in
Give us
there.
a twirl then. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Bingo. So, get yourself to Decathlon. I think it's pronounced Quachoa.
£9.99. Bingo bango. Oh my god. How did I get on my head? Oh my god. Oh, it's killing my ears. Oh man, it's like I'm getting alive as we try and get in the water. So you could just take me under while I'm trying to put my snorkel mask on. Oh, babe, that is so tight. Oh no. I'm in all sorts of bother. How do I get on the bits? How do you put a snorkel mask on? I feel like there needs to be a video tutorial on how to put one on. Do you put the strap on first or the face thing on first? Did you do it? Did you do it?
I don't want to tell you
I'm
because this is
sweating.
far too entertaining.
Oh man! Right. Oh, that is better. Am I looking like?
It's not on your nose.
Is it? Oh yeah. I forgot about that bit. Yeah, but how do I breathe while I try it on? I don't know what that in my mouth. Half in my mouth. Does that look like?
Very good,
fart?
yeah.
Is it?
There's no water getting in there. I don't think there's any blood going to your head now.
Great.
Right next to your head.
Oh my gosh.
I thought we were making progress. Not so sure now.
So, moment of truth. Can I get all of our stuff into my 75 litre Osprey backpack? Are you just doing this just for pure entertainment? Telling me that I get this in here? And then
Yeah.
just sat there chuckling? Because this is not going in. Packing trial is complete and we've managed to squeeze everything into these two backpacks. So I just need you to imagine that we've got two little people, one each, that's going to be on a pull along trolley, and that's going to be us in about 4 weeks time. Now we're going to some incredible places in Southeast Asia and we'd love for you to come along on our journey with us. So please hit subscribe and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.